Integrating Databricks with Azure DevOps allows for streamlined data engineering and machine learning workflows. By combining the powerful data processing capabilities of Databricks with Azure DevOps automation and deployment features, teams can efficiently manage end-to-end data pipelines. Here are steps to integrate Databricks with Azure DevOps. Set up Databricks service in Azure. Create Databricks workspace. Log into the Azure portal and navigate to Databricks. Click on Create a Workspace and configure the necessary settings, including resource group, region, and pricing tier. Configure service authentication. Enable Azure Activity Directory for Databricks by setting up the integration through Azure Service Connection options. Set up Azure DevOps pipeline. Navigate to Azure DevOps. Sign into Azure DevOps and navigate to your project. Create new pipeline. Create a new pipeline by selecting Pipelines, New Pipeline. Add Databricks task. Within the pipeline editor, add the Databricks task. Choose the Databricks step or Azure DevOps extension for Databricks. Authenticate by connecting to your Databricks workspace using AAD or token-based authentication. Configure Databricks notebooks. Create Databricks notebooks. In Databricks, create the necessary notebooks for data analysis, machine learning, or other data-related tasks. Version control notebooks. Ensure that Databricks notebooks are version controlled via Azure repos by linking the repository in Azure DevOps. Automate Databricks workflows in Azure DevOps. Run Databricks jobs. Automate the execution of Databricks jobs directly from Azure DevOps pipelines by defining job configurations and running them as part of the CI/CD process. Monitor and manage. Track the progress and outputs of Databricks jobs in Azure DevOps, integrating data processing, transformation, and analysis with ease.